Yo, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Sorry, I'm a little late today. I was eating breakfast. And now we're all good. How we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Let's see who we got. Got Eric, Jersey, HD, TRD, Morrison, Lady T, Exert, Shiv, Mr. FMG, Justin, JJ, Juan, Knack, Rebecca, Ashley, RIGO, Jessica, Kiffers, I think is how you say it, Jim, Justin, good morning. Good morning, good morning. How's everybody's trading day yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. Strizzy the Kid, yes, good morning all. All right, so ES is about to come down to a key level. I think SPY is getting very close to its key level as well. This entire zone, this 44.96.50 down to 44.93, I'm very interested in. So we could bounce there. I think SPY is a little lower. Let's see. I believe SPY was like 445.3 or something like that. Let's say we have a nice 4-hour squeeze. Does anybody know if there was news in the pre-market? 445.37 and 445.38. There we go. So that's my main area for the bounce. If we break below there, it's going to be 442. We break below there, we got a lot lower to go. That's for sure. But yeah, these are my bounces right there. As far as a reject, we're going to have to wait and see. Made some money on Cat. Made money with me and Team Bull. Let's go. I took a beautiful put yesterday on SPY. So if we go to the 5-minute, QQQ and SPY rejected off that 50% fib that we talked about yesterday, right in the morning. So it came up and it rejected off of it. So I was like, okay, we rejected off of it, had a pretty strong reaction. Let's look for a pullback for a lower high. So got my first entry here, got my second entry here, trimmed on the way down, and was able to catch it down into this 448 level. Beautiful trade. And then it bounced back. So beautiful, beautiful. Again, traded live in Team Bull. So if you took advantage of that 2-day free trial, congrats to you. But let's see, we're tanking in the pre-market. We do have that 4-hour squeeze. We could use the 1-hour 21 EMA as a potential reject. So around like 449, give or take. Here's our previous low. Boom. But yeah, still going to be watching 445.38 or 28, my bad. 445.28. Go to the 4-hour. Yep, literally nothing in between besides this. This is a big level that we haven't tested yet. That 444.3 to 444 is a big area. So I like that entire zone as well for a bounce. Alrighty. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see, 444.3. Good morning. I personally don't care about the NFIB. I'm pretty sure it already... Yeah, that was at 6 a.m. EST. So that's been done. Let's see. From Houston, let's go. Did you guys watch last night's boot camp? Fire. Hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, those are my bounces on SPY. Head on over to ES. See that same bounce level is what we're currently trading at. Then let's see. Pivot low, pivot high. 44.70. And then after that, yeah, no good fibs. So 44.70 on ES is the main area I'm watching today. Let me pull up the DMs to myself. Alrighty. So there's SPY, there's QQQ, or not QQQ, SPY ES. We're about to take a look at QQQ. We actually came up and tested that 4-hour supply yesterday. Let's see if we tested the 1 hour. Nah, so we fell short of the 1 hour. But we came down, we touched the level, that 61.8. Pretty strong reaction off of that level so far. Maybe we bounce there. Definitely could. But if we break 44.93, there's definitely more downside from there. So let's take a look at QQQ. We'll go from there. This area right here, this 371 has been huge. 371.50. Looks like we're trying to crack below it in the pre-market. So if we break below pre-market lows, I'll look for more downside. And let me actually pull up QQQ with a messy chart. $367.29. Where's that? We could hit it. It's the 50-day SMA. We haven't tested the 50-day SMA since last time we tested it was March 13th. So it's been about 5 months. Could be a bounce area. Let's see if there's fibs that we can use though. All right, 369.25. Already broke that. Previous low would be all the way over here. Yeah, those are the only fibs that apply. And again, the 50-day SMA, which again is at 367.29, which is actually close to this level. So there's a little more confluence at this 50% fib. $367.29. Just so we know about it. But I like that area for a potential bounce. It's a little higher probability than this one right here, just more confluence, but we'll be watching both. See if price holds below, could be a liquidity sweep. We'll see. And as far as a reject, honestly, not really seeing any. Not liking any rejects. So we'll see if we build weakness below 371.5. Then let's take a look at NQ. Hope she feels better, Don. Looks like NQ just bounced off that 61.8. So again, if we're going to go lower, we need to break below there. Could be a high probability bounce area. That was from that, or wait, no. That's from this pivot low to pivot high right there. I believe we talked about it yesterday. So I'll be bearish if we crack below there. If not, there is more upside potential. So that massive supply zone right there. That's only pivot low, pivot high that actually applies. Because we're squeezing on the 4-hour, maybe a reject of the 4-hour 21 EMA. That might be like the only area I like for a potential reject today. So around 15,478. Obviously, that's going to change as we get more price action, but that looks to be about the only area I'm interested in a reject. Unless we get like an intraday bid. Looks like we did liquidity sweep. So we'll see. But again, that is the key area, 15,315. And we just did QQQ, right? Yeah. So That's SPY, ES, NQ, QQQ. Let's take a look at some individuals. And real quick, as always, make sure you guys do click that like button if you guys want this watch list posted in the chat for free. We need 225 likes for the watch list. Currently, we got 200 people in here, 66 likes. I know you guys can run it up to 225. Also, I don't know if anybody lives in PA or Maryland, but there was like a terrible storm that came through last night. Thought my house was going to blow away. There's hail and everything. Ooh, I like this. Reject at 180 on Apple. I like. Apple. Like that one. Right below 177.35 for more downside. Or there we go. Hit high, pivot low. Like 180 to 180.50. That doesn't look bad. So we'll watch that. Airbnb don't care about. AI tanked. Might have actually gotten close. No. Still squeezing. I'm still very interested in this. Yeah, it was hailing too. Some pretty big hail. Let's see. AMD. Looks like. Yep. So rejecting that 61.8. Not interested. Amazon had that uptrend yesterday. I'm still very interested in that gap fill on Amazon, but it's actually holding strength in the market. Showing a little bit of relative strength. So let's wait and see. Amazon. Boeing had a nice day yesterday. Was still waiting for, or would have preferred the pullback, but guess not going to give it to me. Baba don't care about. I saw 1 hour head and shoulders on Baba too. Broke below it in the pre-market. Let's see. Caterpillar made a move. Wasn't able to get to my bounce. Coin is still in that weekly flag. Costco don't care about. Google still waiting, just sitting in consolidation. IWM getting clobbered. What's it trading at right now? 191. Have a good bounce down at 189.75. Should have dropped yesterday. 195, 192. I mean, it could hit it. Probably just set an alert. There we go. We'll wait and see. Tomorrow. Reports earnings tomorrow. So the person that asked about Riot, it's gonna depend on what Mara reports. And I don't know if Riot's reporting tomorrow or not. Ooh, Meta came right up to that trend line. I would say if we can get a crack of like 315.80 today on this Meta, I'm very interested in upside. Could also be forming a descending triangle right there. But if we can break, your boy is interested. Meta. Let's see. Microsoft tried to break. Couldn't hold. I do want to see, hold on, if Microsoft is getting close to any of those SMAs. No, the 100 days all the way down at 315. We got about $12 till it gets there. So nothing there. Let's see. Netflix. Still kind of just chilling here. Not very interested. NVIDIA. Kind of looks like it's flagging. Or trying to flag. How do we want to draw this trend line? Drawing something like that. I mean, if it broke below 445.20, maybe I'd be interested in puts. But for the time being, don't care about it. PayPal being a piece of crap like always. I will look for a double bottom though. If we get down there. 50, 59. Might look to actually sell premium when we get down here as well. Wouldn't mind owning the equity down towards like 55. So keep that on watch. QQQ we already went over. Roku tried to break the flag yesterday. This could come into play today if we do get market strength. Depends on liquidity though. So I would say if Roku can get above 88.56 and build a base, I'd be interested in a swing, maybe even a day trade. So we'll put that on the side. Shopify getting destroyed. Nothing of interest. Snow. I guess got smacked. I don't know what's up with that. SPX still has that gap fill down there. Has a gap fill up here. Boom. Boom. There we go. Right then, let's see, we looked at SPY, SQ, gonna move with PayPal, Tesla. Again, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. How many likes we got? We got 233 people in here, 123 likes. You guys need 100 more. And then you get this watch list posted in the chat. You guys can do it. Actually, that 240.85 was a pretty big level. Break below there, it's got the gap fill. Very nice Dragonfly Doji. Or not a Dragonfly Doji, my bad. Normal Doji. Not necessarily seen anything I'm interested in on Tesla. Just gonna skip over that. Let's see, UPST reports tomorrow, so don't really care about that. Cool. So the only individuals I like: Apple, Amazon, Meta, Roku. Then we can take a look at Riot real quick. See when they actually report. Riot reports tomorrow, and then Mara's today. I think Mara was today. Hold on. Or maybe I looked at it wrong. Yeah, Mara's today. Cool. Go back to ES. Let's see, what time is it? 8:24. So any questions you guys got? We're going to wait to put out this watch list for until like 8:30. This one will start finalizing the levels, give the market a few more minutes to understand or try to digest and see what it wants to do. So, but very nice bounce right off that 50. Oh my God, I can't talk today. Really nice bounce off that 61.8%. Again, hopefully you guys watched yesterday's video talking about how to find these Fibonacci levels, because we had this area before price ever hit it. So let's see what price ends up doing. Could bounce. Could break the levels. Let's see. We already looked at AI, not interested in it. We looked at Amazon, same thing. That is on the list, actually. Rivian reports earnings today. Nice little daily squeeze. Nothing on coin yet. Just in a weekly bull flag. I think it's going to sit here and wait for the miners to report earnings. No, the 48-hour offer with Team Bull closed yesterday. Hey, good stuff. Nice little ES bounce. Even if you only caught 2 to 3 points on ES, I mean, that's 100, 150 bucks in the morning before the market even opened. That's good. So let me send this to myself. Apple, Amazon, Meta, Roku. Boom. Let's see. Any questions you guys got? We got 4 minutes till we can start narrowing the list. 4 minutes. Look at that reaction off that 61.8. We already looked at Amazon. We'll be going back to it. Hold on. There we go. TLT broke the danger zone, actually. So it might come back up and retest it. But it broke the consolidation, which is like, we should really be paying attention to that. Because remember, all of last year, every single time TLT broke down, before the market started breaking down, which gave us the hint, hey, the next leg in the market's probably about to come. Bear flag here. We broke on 3.9. Where's 3.9 on this short? I know one of them didn't work out. Yeah, so I think it was a 3.9 one that didn't work out, but then this one over here at 4.5 was right there. 4.5 on SPY, telling us more than likely next leg was coming down. We also had another one right here at 4.28. 4.28 is right here on SPY. And then we had this big one right here, which broke down on 5.31, which was right here on SPY in this consolidation zone. And then we had one right here, 8.11, which was right here on SPY. And then as the market rallied, right, TLT has just stayed in this range. And then we finally broke below it on 8.2, which is this day right here. So they could start diverging now, but from what I recall with TLT last year, we used it every single time to understand when the next leg down was going to come in the market. So I'm paying very close attention to that TLT. There we go. Boom. So yeah, could come back up, retest it, make it resistance, and then start dropping. Make sure to watch the Fibonacci video that I dropped last night. I explained why I only use 2. All right, we got 1 minute. 1 minute. That's also why I don't pay attention to news, because 99% of the time they are wrong. Like the people on Bloomberg, the people, just anybody on the news, 99% of the time they're wrong. What's up, Jason? There we go, 8:30. Now we can start narrowing this list. So, again, 44.96.50 is a big level. Bounce right off of it. Question is, do we break below? NQ. 15.315. Very nice rally off that level. What is that? 40, 50 points, give or take. Next bounce isn't until way down there. Hey, Chuck with the nice bull. You also have a little demand zone right there. But that's a very tiny one. I'll watch it way down there. Rejects. I mean, mainly interested in the 4 hour 21. All the way up there. Get out of here. Nobody likes you. Little scammer. Get out of here. Gone. Alright, so let's head over to SPY. Cool. Good morning. SPY. Trusted and a bounce. 445 to 445.3. Then 443.9 to 444.3. Next to be announced. Also, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 270 people in here and 177 likes. We need 50 more likes if you guys want this watch list posted in the chat. 50 more. $371.15 is a huge level. We break below there. Higher probability bounce is going to be down there. Bingo. QQQ. See, 369.25. $367.3 to $367.6. Bang. There's QQQ. And then as far as the individuals, see, we got Apple, which, I mean, it's kind of close to the level. We haven't tested it since over here, but I think that might have been a misprint. Yeah, that was a misprint. So we haven't tested it since the earnings report. I like Apple. 180 to like 180.5. Let me make sure we're not near any SMAs. Okay, so we pretty much bounced the 100-day SMA yesterday. Gotta be a little careful about that, but depending on the price action, I mean, I like it. Amazon, I like this if it can get some strength. 141.75 would be our breakout. We're at 140.50, so need like $1.20. Meta. This is definitely going on the list. Breakout would be like 316 if the market is strong. Above 316 for more upside. And then let's see, Roku. Gonna keep an eye on this one for a swing. Maybe we can get a butterfly. We'll see. I mean, it's not necessarily, I wouldn't really consider that a bear flag. It's just consolidation, in my opinion. SPY, QQQ, Meta. I don't know, boys, ladies. What are we feeling? We feeling Amazon? Or are we feeling Apple? I like them both. As long as it doesn't push. in the pre-market. I'd like to see it sit here, and then as the market opens, we push up and hit it. And then we could look for a reject back down. Apple or Amazon, what we feeling? One said Amazon. One Apple. Two Apple. I mean, I like Apple if the market got weak. So I think that gives us a nice stock that we can watch to the upside. If the market's strong, would be Meta. And then if the market gets weak, we could watch Apple. All right, let's do it. Cool. Let's go back on over to Amazon. We're going to put Amazon as a side watch today. Cool. SPY, QQQ, Meta, Apple, Amazon. All right, we got 275 people in here, 191 likes. If you guys want this watch list, we need 34 more likes. Yeah, 34 more likes, and you guys get it. Wait for that, and then I will drop you guys the watch list today. Let's see how ES is doing off that fib. Almost 10 points to the upside off the fib. Take a look at NQ. That's having a really nice move off that fib. Very close. Only 3 points short. Nice. But yeah, like I said, my main reject is going to be that 4-hour 21. But there is a lot of buying going on down here. Definitely many different scenarios could play out today. One second. Also, any questions you guys got? Any questions while we're waiting? Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel as well. I do go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I am doing a 31-day boot camp on this channel where I'm going to be uploading every single day for 31 days. If you guys haven't seen any of these videos yet, I highly suggest you go and watch them. We have another, I forget however many days are left in the month. What is today? The 8th? Like 20, Jesus, I'm terrible at math. 22, 23 days left in the month, right? So way more videos are coming. But definitely make sure you guys are checking them out, watching the entire thing. It's going to help a lot of you out. I promise. Pinky promise. But yeah, 31 days of uploads. Bang. Thank you, thank you. No, I don't live in California. That's like the last place I would move to. I'm in good old Pennsylvania. Let's see. We're getting close to the light goal. Is a video making a wedge? Yeah, you can see how I drew it right here. Yes, indeed. Alrighty. I don't live in Philadelphia. Oh, where'd the watch list go? There it is. 5 more likes. You guys are getting close. And you guys get it. And then I am going to get some caffeine in my system because I am exhausted. Hold on. Two more. I mean, Philly is in Pennsylvania, but I'm not in Philly. Trust me, I already lived towards the city. Never again. Never again. Lived very close to Baltimore. Hated it. Never again. Never, ever, 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 ever again. All right, we got 225 likes. Let's do this. So, as always, I'm not a certified financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Option trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. All right, SPY. And again, I could be completely wrong today. The market could just sit here and do absolutely nothing. We do have CPI and PPI this week, so that's definitely a possibility. But let's see, meta. This is just personally what I am watching. Look for A+ opportunities. If it validates a setup, I'll take it and use risk management. And Amazon is a side watch, watching the 1 hour setup. But we're having a pretty nice rally off that 61.8. Nice little rally. Bang, bang. All right, we are good. We are good, ladies and gentlemen. Awesome. Well, any questions before I hop off for the day? Or is everybody good? Everybody rock? You guys ready to make some money today? You guys motivated? Hyped up? Always. Always, always. I will, trust me. Yes, sir. Free game every day. 8 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure you guys tap in. Keep me company. Keep me sane. If you guys don't tune in, I might go a little bit insane. Over 700 videos on my channel teaching you guys on how to trade for completely free. So make sure you guys utilize them. Of course. All right, everybody. Let's run it up today. Let's make some money. If you're in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 10-15 minutes. If you're not in Team Bull, definitely make sure you guys come hop in. Make sure you guys are following me on all my social medias. I'm about to drop a link. That way you can get everything that has to do with me, my book, Instagram, Twitter, Discord, etc., etc. So here is that link right here. So make sure you guys tap in. And let's run it up today. Let's make some money. As always, I appreciate all of you. And I will talk to everybody tomorrow bright and early, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Peace.